Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this session on building AI instance on premises and Oracle Apex integration. The purpose of this session is to understand if we install an LLM locally, what we need, how we can integrate it with Oracle Apex, what kind of resources you might need. I'm talking about especially the hardware. And if you buy, on cloud, how much cost it might have. So we'll be using Ollama. It's an open source, and you can import or download multiple available. Huge. Say, I don't know why people are asking me to record, because I'm already recording it, so it's okay. Uh, So this session will explain you how you can install, configure, and also integrate with Oracle Apex. So you will have an basic idea of having LLM in-house. So I will be explaining in Oracle Linux, which is I have installed as a virtual machine on my PC. Of course, that will be not fast as my PC is because on VirtualBox, the GPU is not there, it's only CPU, so you will have the difference of GPU and CPU. Okay, so let me move back and share with you my screen. Applications, entire screen. Okay, I think you can see my screen. And here I will be doing reverse engineering. So I will show you the output and then we'll go how we can achieve it. So this is a local Apex instance, if you can see on my virtual box installed on my local PC, and you can see the URL. And this port is by default Ollama port. When you install Ollama on your PC or server, whatever, this will be the default port, 11434. And this is the endpoint of your API. Uh, this is the body of the call, which you can further check further. I mean, you can change your prompt. Since I'm using SQL Workshop just to show you the coding part as well, you can create a page and then you can call these services over there. And you can assign to the text boxes. You can pass this prompt from the text item up to you. So here I'm just calling this web service the same way you can call any external cloud-based service. So nothing different. It is a local service and you can call a cloud service. Okay, then I'm just showing the output. So if I will be running this, it will be a bit slow. See, this is now the response. This is the LLM is of ChatGPT, the smallest one I would say. I will show you the LLMs as well on the Ollama website from where you can download. I'm just waiting for the response. This is virtual machine. If it was my own PC on which I am having GPU installed, this is a graphic card. If you are aware of the gaming PCs in that GPU installed, but normal PC will have only CPU and very limited graphic card. And in my last session, I will be sharing that session, link I think already shared in the chat as well. You can view that one in which I had explained difference, very high level difference in CPU and GPU. So for AI, for a good performance, you need enough memory and GPU. So just see on my virtual machine how much time it is taking to get this response. Wow. I had limited the AI, just I said, what is Oracle Apex in 2 lines? See, I'm just limiting it, so it shouldn't be long enough, so it will take time. So now see the response. Okay, here is 2-liner response, and this is local LLM. Now, your requirements, this LLM can meet, right? It is having 20 billion recording learnings in this, right? Just see. I will show you what are the others available. So this is around 13 GB. When you will download on this machine of VirtualBox, it took enough time because it was slow. My internet was slow on this virtual machine, and I had not even tried to troubleshoot it or if I can increase or decrease the internet, but it took time. But on your PC, we'll just download over here now shortly. So this is LLM on your local PC with a URL. You can call the web service. Now it can be another server. You can have, I mean, Apex is on one machine, your LLM is on another machine. Yes, possible. You can just give the IP or machine name, the host name, up to you, right? Okay, now let me show you the LLM. This is my terminal. I don't know why I opened two. It's okay. So on this PC on Linux, I will show you how to install on Linux. So nothing to worry. We will try on Windows as well. Ollama help, right? So this is the Ollama. When you install, you will get this command on your DOS prompt as well as in Linux terminal. It has these limited commands, right? And I will be sharing a link. Let me show you. Where is that? On ERPStuff.com, where you can find the syntax and all those things, and we will try as well. So the first one is start Ollama. At the moment on this in this terminal, because Apex, for Apex, you don't need to load a model. It will automatically load and it will close this. But here, if you want to use in this terminal, then you need to load as well. Because at the moment, if you see Ollama PS, sorry, there is a loaded one. I think I had tried. So I will unload this one, and then we will see in this as well, right? So to stop, you will use this one. So I will be writing Ollama. I think it is like this. Copy, paste. Now we'll see what it did, right? So now at the moment, there is no LLM, right? So in this terminal, if I want to use, then I need to first load it, right? Start Ollama. This is to create a model. This is to show information for a model. Run, sorry, at the moment we will run this model because this Ollama is already running. So now let me put it there, Ollama, run, and this paste, this one. So now it will load in the memory. So you need enough memory. If memory is low, another problem. Remove a model is the RM command. See, now this is the prompt. So let me take this one and then same command we'll try if we can configure on Windows. Oh, sorry. Paste, right? Same command I'm giving here. Let's see. So now this is command prompt, not using a web service. What is Oracle Apex in 2 lines? It is slow because this my virtual box is slow. It is only having CPU, that's it. Is a low web application. This is just thinking part that what I have to answer and all those things just for, documentation part. Still, it is not responding. Now it is responding. Done thinking. Okay, so maybe this it is answering in this window is small, so it is showing 4 lines. Ideally, it's just if you see 2 sentences, right? So it's fine. This is how you can get in your terminal. So I'm just going out from the terminal. Control D, and Ollama help. You can type Ollama help, and you will find the available commands. So if you want to take the help, this one, right? So OLLAM, first you need list. List means how many or what are the LLMs you have already downloaded. So this one I'm using. This I had tried. This is very small one. If you see 1.1, but it was not giving me a good answer. So I just installed this one, the GPT one. But for the sake of this demo, let me remove this. I don't need it. Copy. And same commands are in on Windows, right? Nothing different. RM, paste, delete it. Simple. No more there. Only one LLM is there, which is 13 GB. Okay, I think now I have showed you how you can have it on the command prompt, and how you can start, stop, run, whatever, all these commands are there. To stop, you will use this one. And this start stop is only for this terminal. I mean, this one. Ollama is running, the main instance, you will say. Now, the next part is the LLM. So there are two parts. One is Ollama, which is an application or software to download and run, manage LLM. And LLM is to respond you to your query, to your prompt, what you are asking for, and then it will respond you, right? We'll get back to this Linux part. Let me show you on the front end from where we can download. So this is the website. You can open ollama.com, OLLAMA.com. On this very first screen homepage, you will find this download, right? So this download is to install Ollama application on your PC. It can be Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, right? I will show you at least these two parts, Windows and Linux, because I haven't tried Mac OS, I don't have. So, and second part will be, this is one part, first getting the application. Second part will be to decide and import or download the LLM, which is the main thing. Let me open this GPT-1 because it is on top. And if you see here, 5 million downloads, updated 1 month ago. In this, there are different, you can say, sizes. This is the latest one, 20B, 14 GB, right? And this one is 120 billion, 65 GB. So if you will download, this will having a more, you can say, data or learning, but it will be demanding more resources. So we'll be keeping at low at the moment, this one, right? I had on my PC this Ollama, but I had removed just for this demo purpose. So I'm going to download it again. So just click on download. It will ask you, you want to download for Windows or Linux. Now, if you want to download for Linux, just click on Linux and just type this in your terminal. That's it. It will be configured. Just copy from here, copy and paste in your terminal. Of course, you should have access of locally installation, but an internet should also be there, sorry. And simply you will just paste this in the terminal. Your Ollama will be ready. Now the next part will be to import or download the LLM, the main thing, the brain of AI, artificial intelligence. This is just uh, application to install, sorry, to run the LLM. Okay, on Windows, I'm clicking on Windows and download, right? It was already downloaded, so let it download again. And let me show you, it is 1.1 GB, the size. Okay, let it download. Might take some time, maybe. I don't know why internet is slow or what. See, it is taking time. So what I will do, I think Ollama is already there with me, so I will not be downloading to save time. Let me open Ollama. See, this is my downloaded file, right? So we will install from this. Run as administrator. Just few machines when you will not have the access, so better to run as an administrator. No, I don't need that one. Install. This is Windows. On Linux, you don't need even to do this to click anything. It will just install. It will show you the progress and that's it. So let it be there. And ERPStuff, I was talking about the topic. I've created one topic. I will be putting all these details of the commands with sample code. If you see here, over here, see Ollama show this. So this will give you details of this LLM. A short description is also there. I wanted it to be very short, so just to try. Ollama CP, this is just to copy your LLM. This is to check if it is running in the terminal. Okay, where it is now, let me see. Okay, that's it. It is installed, right? Okay, when you will install it now, I'm not going to command prompt. It is showing me, this is our Ollama, you can say, interface, GUI. So at the moment, it is saying this one, GEMMA 34 billion, right? Even you can do it from here, from this. So if I will type anything, I believe it should download because it is not there. Sorry, there is a call. I will mute it. Okay, so let me select my otherwise I will go to command prompt, and better to go to command prompt because that will be similar to our Linux. So both will be covered. Run as administrator, it's okay. If your DOS prompt is already open, so just close it to and open it again. See, so now I have the Ollama, but there will be no, you can call it LLM, right? Now to bring the LLM part, what we need to do, we will be downloading it. So I will be going here and just click here. Just see how easy it is. So if I need this one, right? This one, I will download 14 GB, right? Click. And if you see on the top, it is giving you even to download. So just copy from this and paste in your DOS prompt or Linux terminal. It is up to you, right? This one. Pulling manifest. What it says. For the model you are attempting to pull requires a newer version of Llama. I just downloaded, but maybe it was not downloaded. So let me go back. Download this one. Else we will download this Ollama part. Maybe they have released and I am having older version. No problem. Where it is. I think I downloaded. Sorry, I installed it the wrong version. Let me remove it. I had 2 copies. Wait a moment. My mistake. Ollama. 0.11. Okay. And once you will install, it is 4.61 GB. No problem. We'll just uninstall. Right. And let me search the latest one. Yeah, this one. I think I have this one. right? This is the latest one. This is just to see, this is 0.13. Yeah, this is the newer one. I had downloaded 2 copies. Oh, and let me close this so it should not keep the older version information. But when you will start and you will download, you will be downloading the latest version, so it is fine for you. Okay, hardly less than 2 minutes it will take. That's it, depending on your internet speed for sure. And if it is a bit slow, it depends on your hardware and internet. Nothing to worry. And that's it. Okay. I'm not going to type it over here. I will show you later. And now command prompt. CMD. OLLAMA, Ollama, right? And let me type Ollama version now. -V. It is now latest, I believe. So I'm going back again to my Ollama website and let me download this one. I will be downloading this latest so-called. Copy this command or type as you like and open terminal, paste. Let's see now. Right? So it is now downloading. It will be 13 GB. Now here the download speed I am having is like this. You might have fast internet, maybe, but this is how it will be. But no problem. Let it be. Let it download. And this one. Meanwhile, we can just go through these commands and let it get downloaded. Local machine, this, the currently running in memory. This I've already explained to you. Llama. Okay, let us see other things as well. Even this Ollama.com, they are having this hosting information as well. So even you can host your LLM in Ollama.com as well. They have pricing as well. You can go to their cloud, see they have these packages, right? Uh, Again, it is up to you. You want it to be local or you want it over here. And same is in ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT or any other LLM providers. What they are having, there are 2 packages. So let me show you that as well. Chat. See, Chat GPT, when you will say this is a front-end application for their LLM, like chatting window, you can say an application. But if you want to get access of their API, then I think they have platform, this one, openai.com. Right, let me go here. I will show you now. If you want to use cloud-based LLM or AI, then you will need this platform.openai.com, and here they have their APIs. So in this, they have this pricing model or pricing details. They have these different models or LLMs. Model is LLM. If we say model or LLM, both are same. So it depends on your requirements or the complexity you are having. You want it latest version or you want it oldest version, smallest version. Now you can explore over here, right? And this is image tokens. If you want images to be done with this, audio tokens, video, fine tuning, etc. Sorry. So this is a package. So how it will work, when you will buy a package, when you will use it, then it will be utilized, right? On your utilization. So if I think I will show you where I have this one, utilization. I had for these demos. Let me see if I can find change log bill. Never checked it, but there is a menu over here. Uh, Usage. List project. No, not this one. I don't know where it is. Not showing me anywhere. Leave it. See, it is not showing here. Pricing. Using tools. Okay, just maybe, I don't know, later or whenever. You may ask, for example, if you ask to chat GPT, what is date and time? Because this LLM might be trained 2 years back. Then how an LLM will know the date for today? This was the problem of LLM because the training is costly, it is time consuming, and they have trained a model and they place it over there. Now, if you want to make it to get latest information, so now there are different options they have introduced. Even if you will go on ChatGPT, you will find that it is searching the web. So because LLM is up to a certain time, you can only ask up to, let's say, for example, there was a match yesterday of anything, or maybe if you will ask about stock exchange or currency rate, so it will not be there in the LLM. So they are having these tools now. So even in your API calls, you can introduce the tools. Tools are not but nothing but these are functions. So even in functions, so let's say, for example, you are adding a date function. So for this, LLM will decide, okay, for this, I need to call this function. And that function, you will be providing the feedback to the LLM, and then LLM will interpret it or format it, and it will give to you. So using tools, if you see here, sorry. So this is for tools. They have shared all these syntaxes as well. If you want to explore, you can explore over here. Then there is another one. This is MCP servers. So for example, I'm giving you an example of Python. Since Python is there, why not for the Python related coding, syntax, whatever, connect to the Python server, get the response from there. It's a protocol, right? Model context protocol. So it will, I mean, why LLM need to understand everything? I mean, so there is a possibility to connect to the MCP server, get the feedback, and that's it. Serve to the user, right? So these are the two concepts you can use over here. MCP server, type MCP. See, no, no, I don't need it. Has asked to, oh, it's okay. Model GPT-5 tools. Now in the tool C, we are adding tools. Type MCP, DMCP, this is their now syntax, and server description, URL, and require approval never, right? So up for certain things, it will go to the MCP server. So you don't need to train every time your LLM, you can get response from another server. Let's say, for example, Oracle related, you have an MCP server for the Oracle, you can take information from there or something else. It is depending on your requirement. Let me check my download if it is happening or no, it is quite slow, right? It is very, very slow. I don't know why my internet is slow today. Last time it took less time. Let it be there. So let's say, for example, if you are downloading this Ollama.gpt OSS 20 billion, same way, the way we can do on the Linux, let me show you here. The way you will be doing it over here, same way you can do it over there, right? This is run, this is stop, this is pull model from a registry, this, and let me, here we did, sorry, this alt tab is not working even for this because meeting is started. So here, see here, we'll say Ollama run this. So it is downloading. It will download and it will load in your memory, right? Same way it is in your Linux box here. So you will paste same command over here, paste, right? Sorry, it has not brought the O. Ollama run GPT, same way you will be downloading in Linux box, right? I'm just moving over here. If you want to see the existing loaded or running in this PC, so Ollama PS, right? At the moment in this terminal, there is no LLM loaded. So now I will do Ollama list. I need to see what is there already. See, this was downloaded, right? So in this, I'm just copying this LLM name, copy Ollama. And if you see here on top, there is a command show. So I will say show what? Paste. Ollama show, it is giving you all the details, right? Parameters, 20 billion parameters, just imagine. And another one was, which was 64 GB, that is, I think, 120 billion prompts, parameters. Context length, embedding length, quantization, capabilities, completion, tools, thinking. See, tools and thinking. So tools is something to get details from external resources in addition to the LLM. Temperature is, you can say, accuracy or relevancy of your prompts responses. License is Apache, means it's open source, you can use it. And this is the information about your LLM, which is already installed or configured on your PC. Ollama help, again, Ollama help, -H, you can also type to get help. And this is RM, CP, PS, list is your configured available models. Sign in, sign out, push, pull, stop, run, show, create, serve, right? Since on this Linux, this Llama was already, I mean, it started using web service. Sorry, using its own services, right? So it is registered when you will start, it will automatically start. But if it is not, like on Windows, it is not added in a service, then first you have to start your Ollama, right? So you will say Ollama serve, right? This Ollama, let me type like this. See, it says it is already in use or it is already running this port on this port. So even with this, if you don't know the IP and port, you can just type Ollama serve. If it need to run or start, it will start, else it will give you at least IP and the port. So this is a good way to get the port number if you don't remember, right? Let me see if it is, but if it is slow, then we will leave it. It will take too much time. So let me close it. I'm just, so on Windows, it is same way, the way we were working there. And if I will open this command, let me show you. What is Oracle Apex and 2 lines? Okay, now there is no LLM at the moment locally, right? Let's see. It will take from where? This is the Ollama application, which is, see, since it is not there, it started downloading this LLM, GEMMA3, this one, right? Even you can download from here. I mean, you will select that LLM, and then you will give a prompt, any, and it will start downloading. Just imagine. See here. Oh, wait a moment. This one, right? You can find by searching over here, or you can select from here and it will download, or you can click here, the download. It will download. Since I given this one prompt, so it is just downloading it. And let me close. So it has stopped it. Another is, let's say, for example, this one, I will click here. It is selected, but it is not downloaded. Again, I have to type something, maybe. Then it will download your LLM. So this is their window. I mean, like this, just like ChatGPT, right? So even you don't need Windows, you can install locally your LLM and you can use this chat just like ChatGPT. So you don't need to go even on cloud or anything else. But to give this functionality in your own application, then you need to integrate using, let's say, Oracle Apex or something else, Python or whatever. You can create a chat application in Python and connecting to the local LLM. This is how it will be, right? I'm just closing this. So please suggest if you have any question regarding this, so we can even discuss that one. I'm just opening the chat window. There is no question. And anyone, if he has any question, I mean, he or she can open the mic or in the chat window or in the QA, you can even ask. Hello. Log meeting. Okay, I think I got something. Thank you, sir. Can you personalize in this model or train? I mean, I think they are providing certain thing, but again, it will be very tough as well because it need more resources. And I believe here, maybe I haven't tried to be honest, but you can try over here. If you can download and further train it again, it is not an easy job because it needs heavy resources of your PC. So you can read from here. Or in the ERPStuff. If I will get time, I will just make a note over there if you can try over there. But I haven't tried this because my resources will not allow this. It need heavy resources. My PC is not good enough, so I can train LLM, right? There will be maybe commands you will have to download because it's open source. Reddit. Download. Llama is there. Quick start. API references are there. If you don't know the port, it is available over here, localhost this. And these are the details, model prompt, the way you can call the API, right? Even they have the scripts for Python and Java, right? You can do it from here. And documentation is there in this. More information, CLI reference, context length. Ollama is 4096 tokens. Length, Linux, Windows, Docker, importing models, FAQ, hardware support, troubleshooting. But yes, there are ways to train, but again, what you will train from where you will get the data. So there is a availability of RAG. You can use the RAG functionality if you want to include your own data in your API prompt. You can include that and you can get the response from your LLM. Right. Any other questions? I think I thought it will take time, but it's okay because we were not downloading it. Importing, that's it. Nothing else is there. Welcome. You can further read their documentation from here. Quick start. See, this is how you can download the LLM. They have many LLMs models. Even Meta, which is the Facebook, what they are using, I think they are also having it. This Llama, Meta available. See, from Meta. This is from Meta, Facebook, and all those things. Meta, and then you can see what else is there. Maybe somewhere there is a count as well. How many models are there? This is the filter, newest, popular, and my models download. Nothing over there.
Sikandar bhai, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Uh, like to know, ChatGPT has don't have the up-to-date information like Gemini. Gemini has more up-to-date information.
Yes.
When we download any model, like
Yes.
you explained here, uh,
Okay.
would that model have up-to-date information?
No, it
For
will not
example,
be.
today we had downloaded it, and some information was not there in on internet. And
Yes.
after few months, we asked we ask any question
Mhm.
that will appear on internet. That that article will be appear on internet after 1.5 months. Would that answer will be available?
No. See,
No.
let's say, for example, you have to compare this version or this LLM version with the live version of ChatGPT. So might be on the live, it is the latest one, let's say version 5. But here they are uploading or sharing the third version.
Hmm.
It will not be the latest one, or the latest, let's say, or the extensive one is, let's say, 120 billion prompts, sorry, parameters. So again, so this is less trained, this is more trained. Now you have to decide from here. Again, it depends. You will not be asking, for example, 1 month old data will be what kind of data? Because generative AI is, it can provide you even 20 this billion prompts as well. So it will provide you this information. Let's say generative AI or whatever. But the thing I'm saying, let's say if you need yesterday or today's forex rate, I'm just giving an example, so that will not be available if a model is 2 years old. For that, there is another option to have tools where you can write your functions. You can call external web services. You can get that information. You can feed to your LLM, and the LLM will respond to you. So that option is there. The tools are, even when you will now open the Chat GPT or any other, they are now providing this option to search web as well, because their LLM is not the latest one. And if you are, let's say, for example, I'm just giving you an example, Oracle Apex version 26 released in January 26, for example. Now, if in January, maybe your LLMs are not trained up to that level. So if you will ask about any features, LLM will not have it. But if that LLM or that AI is able to search the web as well, then you will get that information like that LLM is trained, but LLM is not trained. LLM may be 2 years back or 1 year back. I think you can, maybe somewhere there information is there, which version is up to what date, they will have that information. So if you see here, this is updated 1 month ago. So you will have to download the next or latest version if you are, at the moment, if you see, this is the most learned version available over here because it has 120 billion parameters as compared to this one. So even in this, you have this option as well.
So it means information is updating every day. So will it be suitable to download it and install it and use it? Because might possible what information I am looking for is not there at the time. Yes, of course, you told us that we can use the different methods like
Yeah,
tools.
yeah.
So
That's
it
what I'm
means
saying. Now
that
they are giving you tools option. Tools mean you can get external data as well. So LLM, let's say for LLM, consider LLM as a brain as well. So now to interpret your prompt and get things ready and then give response to you in a AI manner, you need LLM. So LLM is there on backend. Now you are even feeding to the LLM as well that okay, if you this information is not there, go here. Just like for example, if we want to integrate like in my last session, your own database data as well. We had I think tried amp table. So we will feed amp table to the LLM. It will not be learned by the LLM. It will just for that session. It will take that amp data. Now the processing part is by the LLM. It will read the data and it will link to your prompt which you are asking about that data and it will give you the response. So LLM is, I mean, as a brain work or processing part, it is still doing, although that data is not there with the LLM. You can pass it as a context or a RAG, even in Oracle as well, Oracle Apex as well. In Oracle Apex or Oracle, they are also providing built-in certain features on which you can train your, or you can create tokens in your table. I think it is called vector or something, vectors table, vectors column. So it will create a vector in your table column, and then you can ask questions related to your data from this vector column. Because whatever you will upload or the data is there, it will convert and it will give you. And Oracle has provided, I think there is certain open source model they have uploaded. I think in one of my last video I had explained as how you can use it. I will share that as well. So in Oracle app, Oracle also it is there in the Oracle database, and this the latest version. I think they are also having AI as well. So if you see here, this I installed. This is 26 AI. This database on this installed database is 26 AI. So this database itself is also providing you AI features, or it will have a model downloaded in, or you can even download as well, and you can upload in Oracle as well. It is there, option is there. So yes, I mean again, LLM, what kind of information you need? Let's say, for example, you are doing a study where you need updated information, the documentations or whatever. But if we are talking about a company, for example, you are giving AI chatbot to the HR. Now HR is writing letters, writing some other things or analysis or whatever. For that, you don't need a yesterday LLM. For them, generative AI, because even 20 billion is doing a good generative AI because LLM is there. It is generating your data and sorry, responses. So it is good enough. But like in chat gpt they are updating, right? Maybe 2 years back, now they have improved, but again it was not learning. Now they are linking to the web search. They are searching, they are adding using tools. So when you will give a prompt, it will go, and sometime it might say no, I don't have this information. Then you might say you can give a prompt, no, I need this information. You can search from the internet as well. So, I mean, again, it depends on your prompt, on your LLM version, what kind of use case you have. So you have to decide in that way, in a smart way. You want to stay with 2 years old LLM? Yes, go ahead. I mean, again, it depends on the availability. If you don't have the yesterday one, it will not be there. I don't know exactly when this chat GPT was last trained. So it will have that information up to what it was trained. What is trained? It is taking the data from different sources or internet servers and training it. That's it. Nothing else. I mean, maybe we will not be using it for the news. That okay, what was the yesterday news or today's news? it is basically based on your generative AI. It will generate data based on your prompt, and it's available learning in their LLM. Okay, this was anyone else? Sorry, clear.
Can I ask one more question?
Sure, sure. If someone is not asking, you can ask.
Okay, thank you. Like you told us that we can use tools. So,
Mhm.
do you think tools are also linking with some kind of uh, online LLM?
You can link to anything. It depends. Let's say, for example, if I take it Oracle Apex example, because since we are discussing Oracle Apex, the tool can be a function. You are calling a function, and in that function, maybe in Python or Oracle Apex or whatever, you are passing a parameter to the function. It will return. Now, in that function, you can write anything, and it
Okay,
it will give
so it means
response to the LLM. Tool will not
okay,
give response to you. Tool will give response because now LLM is calling tool based on certain information, and now tool is giving back to the LLM. LLM is serving now you to you. The response to you will be from LLM.
but tool will call some kind of AI model.
Anything, anything. You can call another AI.
Okay. So
It
in this
depends.
case, for example, if we are calling some other API or some other AI API, so in that will cost us. For
Of
example,
course, of course.
we have purchased a ChatGPT solution, or we have purchased a query solution. Then it will limit us to some number of, for example, 1,000 prompts.
Okay.
So, uh, in this case, if we will call our API through tools, then using uh, using our own LLM
Hmm.
that we have installed, even though we have limitations.
Hmm. No, you will not have limitations. I'm saying if you are trying to use the external, then why to use local? I mean, if external is
When
when management says we are having privacy issue, we don't want to share data with external cloud based solutions, Chat GPT or anything, because Chat GPT itself is you can buy a balance. For example, I'm not saying Chat GPT. There are two balances. One is Chat GPT. One is their API usage. The API usage is different than your Chat GPT usage. So you can buy this Chat GPT balance. Maybe it's starting with I think $20. It is quite enough. I mean, it will not be expensive too much for you. It's okay. So again, it depends on your security or privacy. If you want to keep that one, then you might need local. If you don't want or you are not having that one, then you can call directly, or even you can host your LLM to this Hugging Face hosting option and last video I had shared, and or you can even host in Ollama.com. If you don't have local hardware, you can host it over here. But again, if you will host it, still it will cost because you are paying to the hosting or processing or whatever they have the billing model. You will have to pay. But if you are trying to call again external, then better to use that one. That will be less expensive as well. It is not expensive. They are now they have the competition, and so they are giving good. I mean, competitive rates, not much expensive. Yes, what you can do, you have to be smart enough in the prompting. So let's say, for example, if you are asking one question so many times, your prompt is not restricting. For example, I just in this prompt I said, okay, 2 lines, restricted to 2 lines. If I will not ask for 2 lines, it might generate me 200 lines. So of course it is using my tokens, right? Because this pricing model is token based. So this prompting also, because this prompting itself is another subject, or you can say it's called prompt engineering. It's a separate subject, and you need separate just for prompting. Just imagine this prompting with the way you can ask, the way you can feed, you can restrict your AI parameter or prompt. that is also a separate subject itself. So you have to be very precise. Your question should be in, in a way that you don't need to be, very open. If you are very open, it will generate a lot of data which you don't need even. Then again, you will read, or you will, destroy, or again you will ask. So prompting, you have to be smart enough, because that will reduce your cost. So if I will show you, think I was reading over here, don't remember now because I'm not much using real-time model. Let me check if it will show me here. Using, no, not this one. See how their applications are. I know, what is this so long menu? Rate limit, yes, your data, I think there should be somewhere here. These are rate limits. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Where it is? Systems APIs, cost, latency, this, usage, manage conversions, managing costs. This is not that one. Conversion state, no, more tools. I just wanted to show you if I can find my current status pricing. This is their rates. I don't know where they are providing it. Overview. Check the status of open services. No reference. Start building. BI billing. Where they hid it, I don't know. Last time I was able to see it. File input. Sorry. Rate limits, MCB, deep search, your data. This is resources. Cost optimization, going live. Coding, specialized models, manage costs, evaluation, run and scale, tools, gents. They are having it. But anyway, I will maybe in the post, I will share the screen where they are having it. It is not available at the moment. Fine tuning, built-in tools. Package. No. Yes, you can use on-prem model with your DB like I explained in the last session with online models. Yes. Thanks, Zahid, for explaining. Convergence rate. Getting started. Libraries, latest. So latest is 5.1, GPT 5.1. The latest migration, latest code generation, bug fixing, and this instruction following, long context and tool calling. So these are the features now in the latest version. They are adding bug fixes, etc. But ideally, it should have made the models. No, I don't. Oh, connect. Anyway, I mean, if you will buy this one, you can buy this package and then you can use it. It is, again, depending on your requirement, you have to decide which model you are subscribing or using, because each model is having different rates. Consumption model is different for each. So if you are, I mean, you need just analysis of prompt and give you response. You don't need hi-fi LLM, so you can go with the smallest LLM. See here, they have different rates, cached input, output. This you can explore on this. So if you see here, this is like this. I think they have some uh, upper limits as well. And even if you would buy these chat GPT up to certain level, then it might say, okay, after this, I mean, you have used it a lot. You will have to wait for maybe 2 to 3 hours. So it depends. I mean, on models they are putting just to have fair usage. They are even to pay it. They are having because they want to uh, pressurize you to buy the next version. So you cannot just keep using it. You have certain limitations, right? I don't know. I can't use that billing part. Maybe because I have balance in this. Anyway, I don't know where it is. Chat GPT action. Oh. So this is platform.openai. So if you want to call ChatGPT LLMs using APIs, then you have to come to this openai.com, platform.openai.com to buy for balance for the API. But for the ChatGPT, which is just a front end interface, for that it's a different. That is $20 per month. That is fixed. Maybe certain limitations are there, the minimum. But for this APIs, you will buy for let's say minimum $20, then you will be using it. The maybe you can use in one day. It depends on your usage, but this is how it works, right? Uh, Chat GPT model uh, pricing, right? This one. It is giving in rupees. I don't know where is their currency. They are picking it. Is there any currency somewhere? So you, if let's say for example you want Chat GPT, this is Chat GPT. This is for the front end Chat GPT. But if you want to buy for the API, that is that OpenAI, the platform one, not this one. This is for your the front end tool which you are using chatgpt.com and you are just interacting with it. You cannot use this model or version as an API. This is not for API, right? So see, there are different models per user month billed annually. They have these, and then down you can see the models what they have in their model. So you have to select which model you want, then you will use that model and it will rate or bill you accordingly. Because even in this is free, this is plus, pro, business, enterprise. Okay. This one, where was that? And this pricing, I think they also having cloud. It is coming now. 20 per month, and maximum or max package is $100 per month. 5x higher usage limits than Pro. So these are they having their own models as well. Or you can go to Hugging Face if you want. This one I had explained. You can even host. This is just like you are having WordPress, right? So you need a hosting server. So you can host your LLMs over here. Of course, it will have pricing again, right? So you can have this, I mean, host over here if you don't have local machine. But again, if you are hosting over here, again, you are paying, then might be you are not getting that benefit out of it. Why to host since you are using that available? So better to use the available. It will have the latest version as well or whatever you want. So again, I mean, I don't know if hosting it over here will again have that concern of the security and safety or privacy. So again, I mean, up to you the way you want, right? This is model pricing model, and this is this one, right? Let me see if any other question is there. Let me was offline. Let me I think there is no further question from me at least. Check with that one. I was offline. Let me check. Practice with online models as per last session. Yes. Uh, Zahid Siddiq, right? Zahid, you are using AI or models, or how it is? How is your experience so far? If you want to share.
Sikandar bhai, we have already have a project with you,
Okay, the
and
same one.
it was a wonderful experience, and we are using, though with some limitations. Yes, it is okay. It's good
Yes,
experience.
right, right. Okay, what is this? I think now we can end our session over here, and let me share my next question or survey as well. So please respond to the survey. I think that will be when you will end, it will show you few just you can say analysis questions, and I was not able to work to generate the last session certificates as well. I will be working again, maybe this week or next week you will have that one as well, and I will make sure for this session as well. So both two session certificates will be generated by you online, and then you can download, maybe you can keep for the memory or any reference or something like that, because sometimes learning is you will not learn as a big bang something. You will get some one, maybe one point, and then you can use that point, and it can bring a huge change in your career, in your organization, in your way of thinking, because it will give you a direction, right? So just think in this way. Any session, every session will not be 100% for you maybe, but maybe one point can serve you, and that one point is important. So maybe next, I don't know, I will be thinking about which session we should have it, or if someone has any requirements or like that, please share. And this Ollama, you can try. If you are not going to use it, at least for your learning purpose, that you will have the idea. Uh, I got an update in last session. There was one friend of mine, his son attended that session. So try to bring your kids. Maybe you are now old, yeah, sorry to say, but yes, let this new generation come to learn these things, get direction, and let them use, because they can better utilize these things than us. Because I mean, it depends on age factors as well. So if they will learn now, just imagine after 10 years or 20 years, where they will be, or what kind of things or products they can introduce or they can bring in the market. So try to involve them as well. I mean, professionals are, yes, they are good, but again, these new generation, they also need to learn, because let's say, for example, just doing chat GPT will not give you an idea what is going behind the scene. That learning is also important, because that will give them ideas, that will give them direction. So then they can maybe create their own LLM, they can create their own chat GPT chats or whatever they can. But if they will learn from today, it is better for them. Okay, let me check with
Sikandar
some.
bhai, I have one suggestion,
Yes,
if you
please.
allow me.
Sure, sure.
Can we have a session for Agentic AI Studio, Oracle Agentic Studio, if we can arrange any session on that?
Sure. Next session we can do on that.
Okay, that's
So
good.
let us do on this Oracle as well, because
Yes.
you know the why I'm doing this one and these sessions, at least these two sessions. Let me explain now. Even Oracle is using these LLMs and all those things, right? So
Hmm.
once you
Hmm.
will have the idea, then using in Oracle, it will be easy for you,
Yes.
right? Because people, if they don't know what is LLM,
Hmm.
what is prompt, how you can call with the APIs and all, because these are the basic things. When you will
Hmm.
learn
Hmm.
this one, now you can go to any platform you can utilize. You will
Yes.
have the idea, okay, on the back end there's a model. So even in Oracle,
What are the basic things of the
exactly. So if you see
AI?
here, Oracle is not having their own LLM, right? Then
They
how
are
they are
using the different LLMs on
exactly
their
they are
cloud.
using open source, and they are
Hmm.
adding it over there, and now they are just calling that LLM. So if you know about the LLM, it will be easy for you in Oracle as well. It will be easy for you to use in Microsoft as well or anything. So
Yes.
my purpose was to give this background how these things are working, what kind of chat GPT is doing, right? So there is a generative AI, then there is a agentic AI,
Agentic AI.
right? So we will be covering both because now the main thing I would say it is agentic because generative AI is just generating text, nothing else.
Because
So
in my organization,
yeah,
there are a requirement to develop agents for procurement, agents for HR. So
mhm.
that's why I'm asking you to if we can have a session for
For
agentic
sure,
studio.
for sure we can do that one as well. So which I think they are, which application you are using are ERP? It is Fusion or it is
Oracle Fusion, Oracle Fusion.
Oracle? Oracle Fusion is providing AI, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So now you want to use that.
hmm
Okay,
For
okay.
for developing an agent for the
Mhm.
on top of Fusion application.
Mhm. Okay, sure. We can check that Fusion part as well because the
Hmm.
limitation of Fusion is uh, majority of people they don't have even access to the Fusion,
Hmm.
right? So this this learning part is restricted
Actually,
only.
what I thought is that we are all Oracle guys. That's
Yeah,
why I'm asking
I don't know why
that if
this.
we can.
Sure, sure. I mean, that's what I'm saying. But others will not be able to practice it for sure because they will not have access.
Hmm.
But yes, they can get the idea. They can use it, but maybe later. We can do on that part as well.
Okay,
That
thank
part
you.
as well. And this there is another maybe I don't know. I'm thinking about these web services because most of the companies there are developers or managers or whatever you can call them. They are for working on Oracle forms reports for a long
Hmm.
time, 15, 20
Hmm.
years. Now they don't know how what are these APIs, what are these web
Hmm.
services. I mean, if they don't know, they can't use even. They can't even
Yes,
think to use
yes.
it. I
Hmm.
mean, there are they contact with me, on private side, and they say, Skandar, we are having this. I'm have experience of 20 years forms reports. I am just expert, but now I don't know about Oracle Apex. I don't know about RESTful
Web services,
services.
web
RESTful
services.
services, but yes, there is YouTube and all those things, but you know they will not give you a proper path.
Yes.
That's why I'm just arranging these sessions so we can discuss. We can, I mean, interaction. Video
Hmm.
will not give you interaction, and then you cannot search inside the video. You have to play all the video. You will have to skip, and I mean, all these things are there. So this
Hmm.
interaction, I'm just trying now because video is one part. Other is this one interaction. We will have more sessions as well, more maybe frequent. So I mean, we have to come close, and then I was also inviting other people as well to present, but unfortunately, no one shared any interest. Unfortunately, because it's not only technical thing. If you know something,
Hmm.
presentation is also important for you.
Yes, yes. That's why that's why people are hesitate to
Has it?
present
No
and come.
problem. I mean, learn. It's
Hmm.
learning. I mean, we are learning here, right?
Yes,
The
because
way
we
we
all
are
are
moving.
technicals guys. I'm asking that same thing has happened to me that I am good at technical side, but at times it is difficult to present in front of the people.
Exactly. But this is where I am providing the platform. Even
Hmm.
in last 2 years, I had session which was physical in the hotel. There I
Hmm.
had invited, and yes, people technical came, they presented, they hosted, and that is the learning part. It's not
Hmm.
only you
Hmm.
learn only technical things. If you want to grow
Yes,
in your
yes.
career, it's not only technical. Please, that's what where
Hmm. Hmm.
technical
Hmm.
people struggle. They say I am doing a lot, but no, you have to improve your presentations as well. If you cannot present,
Correct.
technical is
Hmm.
technical only. Two plus two is two.
Yes,
Make
correct.
it attractive. Present yourself. Do presentations. Do
Hmm.
discussions like this. Platforms. The the plus point, if you want to grow in your career, what you learn, share. I'm telling
Hmm.
you, you will grow.
Sure.
What you learn,
Thank you.
share with others. What you learn, share with others. You will keep growing. This
Sure.
is my, you can say, I'm doing this since 2006. Just imagine. Since
Mhm.
2006, I'm doing this one. I'm having this community, and Alhamdulillah, it give you satisfaction as well, because maybe if someone learned from you something, he is using it, he is serving in his organization, he's serving to his family. Just imagine what kind of
Yes,
sadga it is.
correct.
Everything is not money, because this serving back to the community, this is also important. So again, I am inviting others, please, we can have your sessions as well. The most learned subject or whatever the topic you want to present, because it's presentation as well.
Mhm.
Teach to the community, no problem if you know something. Because now I'm just sharing another thing is, if still someone think he knows, he don't want to, she don't want to share, oh my God. And this AI word, it will not work.
Mhm.
It will not work. You have to. You have to come forward now. I mean, you can't hide your knowledge. There is no such thing over here that you will keep on your USB and only you know. No, you can just give a prompt. You can find something, and they are providing even free. Just imagine.
Mhm.
Yes, for paid, maybe you are getting extra things, but even for free, maybe in future this free will not be there, but still it is there. Still, people can invest 20 to $50 or whatever to get things done as quickly as
Mhm.
possible, to save time, to save energy, and get more information or knowledge. So, to my community, please come forward and choose your topic. We can even present on that as well. Or maybe we can have one day, you can say some sort of community day or whatever, where can others as well, they can present. No issue. You are welcome. Any other question? I think there are certain. Say thanks to it. Same to me. Uh, Last session, I learned a lot and I was able to implement the Oracle Apex RAG enabled AI assistant. Everything is working perfectly there. Thank you. See this one. I don't know the name. It is saying Sony, SONYC. I don't know what is the name. Maybe he can.
Hi, sir.
Yes,
This is me. Yeah, it was really good last session, and I implemented that AI assistant, and it's really working properly. So,
excellent.
thanks to you.
See, now this change in your organization will bring change in your career, in working of your organization. So these are the things which we can do using our community to help
True,
our
sir.
community. Yeah. Your good name?
True. You are really doing a great work, actually.
You're welcome. This is for last 19 years. Yeah,
This commitment nobody will do, actually.
you're
So
right.
many
You are
years
right.
from
You
long
are
time
right.
you're doing.
It is something built in or God gifted, maybe. I would say.
True.
You can't do it like
I
this.
really appreciate it.
Your good name, sorry?
This is Yogeshwari, but this is my another account.
Okay, Yogeshwari. You are working where?
Yeah, so I'm in that in Dubai. I'm working.
Okay, you are working in UAE, right? And UAE are doing
Yeah,
extensively in AI, I believe, right?
yeah. In Oracle Apex also, and in AI also. Yeah.
Of course, in Oracle Apex and all those things. So this is a good learning
Yeah.
point over here. And let me
True.
have any other question. Thanks for sharing your experience and using RAG as well. I have question. Is there any limitation of database version like must be AI? No. I think even in existing version, you can load LLM. Oracle is providing that facility. You can upload, you can configure LLM, you can add in, I think it is vector column. I don't remember the version exactly of the database. Maybe I can share later. I had another video on the same topic. I will share that video as well. And maybe I will, once I will upload this video, recorded video, then you can find there as well. Because there is a question from Osama bin Jafar, right? Not, I will share with you the exact version where it is. Maybe it is, I don't know which version was that. So in that you can download LLM. because they are integrating this open source LLM in Oracle, and then you can use that one as well. You can upload documents, then those documents will be tokenized. Maybe another session where we will talk about tokenization and all those things, vectors and this. But let's see. You can explore as well. These things. I will share the video link as well. I think I had recorded that video, and maybe after that, I don't know which version are there. It was maybe last year or something like that. And the good news is Oracle Apex 26, maybe they are going to release. They are a bit late because they did so many layoffs and less people to work. Maybe they were thinking only AI will be working for them, but no, it's you need human power, manpower as well. So in Oracle Apex 26, they are having more AI, of course, and they are changing certain things to, let's say, for example, ad hoc queries. So they are giving options to the users. So let's say, for example, you want to give access, a read-only access to finance users. So it will be read-only, and they can just type simple, sentences English, and it will give the responses to them. So just imagine, even in Oracle Apex 26, they are going to give certain options to the users as well. So you can, instead of finance or HR or sales, they want to they contacting IT, they will be directly having access, and they can enter their English sentences, not select this and that, and it will give them the responses, and straightforward. It will be easy for you. It will be easy for the departments as well. Possible to create a got API OpenAI for free. I did it recently, but I don't know uh, how anymore. You are saying get API or something like that? I think in this open AI, maybe initially when you register, they are giving some balance or something like that. But open AI is you have to pay. I mean, based on usage. I can't find it over here. This is open AI, and no idea what they did with these applications. See, I'm not able to have any information on billing part or something. Maybe they have hide it somewhere. Resources. It was here, it was showing billing, but I don't know. I'm not able to see it today. Cookbook. Maybe I'm missing something. Mm, this is pricing. No, this is this pricing. That's it. I don't know. Maybe they've placed somewhere where I cannot at least view. If someone can see it, please guide me because I'm not able to find it. Uh, Anyone, any other, if you want to give your feedback or any experience, sir, can I suggest him? Yeah, sure. Wes, why not? You can open your mic, you can suggest. And anyone, if you want to share your experience or anything, expertise, knowledge, question, even you can share in Urdu, Hindi as well. We can further interpret as well. Why I'm saying this all in English, because there can be other audience as well. So if we will, maybe we can have one session in Urdu as well, where our basic developers can also, interact, because they feel shy. I mean, sorry to say, so they don't ask, all these things. So, but yes, you can ask. I mean, or you can ask in the chat. Up to you. Please go ahead.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
Walaikum salam.
It was really nice for being part with the community. Your work is great. Last time भी हमारे सेशन में मैंने एक सजेशन रखना चाहा था. Might be it was almost end of the meeting that time. तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि हम अपना MCP सर्वर्स के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा एक सेशन अरेंज करें, ताकि जो हमारे डेवलपर्स हैं वो MCP सर्वर्स को यूजेज उसका सीख सकें, उसको किस तरह से यूज़ करना है और उसको किस तरह से हम अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए बेटर यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और उससे हमारी डेवलपमेंट में क्या इम्पैक्ट जाएगा. तो इट विल बी अ ग्रेट सेशन.
Sure. I mean, Wes, there are many topics, to be honest. I'm trying my best. That's what I'm even inviting community members as well. If they want to or they can present something, they are welcome. So at least we can cover variety of topics as well. But unfortunately, no one is showing any interest. So I have to cover all these topics. So one by one, for sure. You know, let me mix few things as well. Objective of this session is to bring at certain level, so you will understand all these things. Then we will go to, tools, to MCP servers. अब ये आगे branches, these are branches, right? These are advanced, you can say, features or connectivity parts. So yes, now they can, you are having a base, right? So once this base is ready, now you can plug other things. And we will inshallah plug all these things. That's what I'm now doing these online sessions. Earlier I was just recording video and uploading, that's it. But no, interaction is important now. We are doing, and maybe we will have more frequent interactions in future as well. So yes, वैसे इंशाल्लाह हम करेंगे इसको, एमसीपीबी को एक्चुअली बहुत ये इवन चैट जीपीटी वालों को बनाने को, सब बनाने वालों को, डेवलप करने में समझ नहीं आ रही कि ये एआई जा किधर रही है, ये कंट्रोल नहीं हो रही, ये कहीं रुक नहीं रही, और हर आए दिन कोई नया ही वो सिलसिला चल रहा है, और अब इतने कंपटीटर्स आ गए हैं कि वो उतने वो सारे कंफ्यूज है कि यार एआई को किधर लेके जाना है। तो आई डोंट नो, इस पे सर्टन कुछ होना चाहिए। आई डोंट नो ये किधर जाएंगे, लेकिन यस, ये करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। एमसीपी सर्वर को करेंगे, रेस्टफुल सर्विसेज का हैव अ प्लान, टूल्स हैव अ प्लान, we will be further exploring Oracle side as well, how you can integrate inside Oracle or Oracle OCI, Oracle Cloud side. So I think next session we will be dealing with the Oracle OCI, how to do all these things, or AI in Oracle Cloud. And same way we will be having MCP server as well topic, and more topics whenever they will be there. Sir, I want to ask something. Sure, please ask. Daniel Ali.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर कैसे हैं? ठीक है
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
सर। एसएम फूड से बात करें मुस्ताद से।
जी जी।
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये था कि ओलामा को हमने अपेक्स के साथ इम्प्लीमेंट कर,
सॉरी,
अब जिस तरह हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, अब जिस तरह ओलामा को हमने ना अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ ना इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया
जी जी।
अपेक्स के साथ। अब हमारा सिनेरियो है कि हमारे पास ना प्रोडक्शन भी है, सेल्स भी है, और मुख्तलिफ सिनेरियोज हैं। तो क्या हम एक ही मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल में हम उससे पूछ सकते हैं कि हमें प्रोडक्शन का डाटा दें, हमें सेल्स का डाटा दें, मंथली डाटा दें, ईयरली डाटा दें, इस तरह की चीजें, फिर हम उसी में ही हम उससे एचआर का पूछ सकते हैं? क्या हमें डेटाबेस की अगर हम उसको एक्सेस दें तो डाटा हमारा कंप्रोमाइज तो नहीं होगा?
नहीं, अच्छा, होता क्या है, जो आपका ओलामा है ना, ये तो आपका लोकली इंस्टॉल हो रहा है ना, इसमें तो कंप्रोमाइज वाला वो बात ही खत्म हो गई। नहीं, ये हम कर इसीलिए रहे हैं। अदरवाइज आप डायरेक्ट
ठीक
ओपन
है
एआई को, लेट से चैट जीपीटी को सर्विस कॉल करें, उसमें अपना वो रैग वाला फीचर यूज करें। तो लास्ट आपने शायद मेरी सेशन नहीं अटेंड किया।
सर, वो मैं लेट हो गया था उस टाइम, वो सर
हाँ
क्वेश्चन।
यस, उसकी रिकॉर्डेड अवेलेबल है यूट्यूब पे, ये ऊपर शेयर भी किया है हमने। आप वो जरा देखिएगा, उसमें मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि रैग फंक्शन को आप ओरेकल एपेक्स में कैसे यूज करते हैं, और वो रैग फंक्शन जब आप यूज करते हैं तो वो कॉल जाती है आपके एलएलएम को। अब उसमें आप इवन प्रॉम्प्ट्स, मैंने प्रॉम्प्ट्स के रोल्स भी डिफाइन कराए थे कि भाई, आप एक प्रॉम्प्ट जो आप करते हैं ना, एक एजेंट को आप कहते हैं कि भाई आप एचआर के एजेंट हो, आपने इस टेबल से ही रिस्पांस देना है, आपने कोई और रिस्पांस नहीं देना। आप एलएलएम को फाइन ट्यून कर सकते हैं कि भाई इसको एआई एजेंट को, कि भाई आपने ये करना है। आप अगर वो देखें, आप जरा वो वीडियो देखिएगा, उसमें मैंने ये चीजें एक्सप्लेन की हैं कि
डन
आप
सर,
कह
ठीक है
सकते हो, आप अपने एजेंट को कह सकते हो, एआई एजेंट को, कि ओनली एड्रेस ओरेकल एपेक्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, नो अदर
ओके
क्वेश्चंस।
सर।
अच्छा, अब आपने जब ये मैंने बोला था प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग, ये प्रॉम्प्टिंग जो है ना, ये आप थोड़ा सा लर्न कर लेंगे ना प्रॉम्प्टिंग, तो आपको वो ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट आ जाएंगे। तो वो जरा वीडियो जरा आप प्ले कीजिएगा, उसमें ये मैंने हैव
जी डन
एक्सप्लेन
सर।
इन डिटेल कि भाई रैक आप कैसे पास करते हैं, और फिर आप इसको लिमिट कैसे करते हैं। अब आप एचआर को दे रहे हैं, उसने वो चैटिंग थोड़ी करनी है, उसको एचआर से रिलेटेड ही इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है। अच्छा, सेम टाइम आप उसको दे सकते हैं, अलग से आपका सेल्स एजेंट है, आपने वेबसाइट पे दिया हुआ है, आप उसको ये भी बता सकते हैं कि भाई आपको ये रिकमेंड करने हैं, ये आपने प्रमोशन चलानी है, ये प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, अगर ये प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है तो आपने अल्टरनेट प्रोडक्ट को सजेस्ट करना है।
ठीक है
ठीक
सर।
है। तो मतलब ये आप
जी
इवन
सर।
एजेंट को ये भी कर सकते हैं कि आपकी वेबसाइट पे होगा, कोई आके पूछता है, अच्छा जी आई नीड लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल शूज, so वो कहता है जी यस these shoes are available in black color but you can also try these other options like shirts or whatever, these are matching। अब देखे ना वो कैसे सेलिंग कर रहा है आपकी। तो ये आप ट्रेनिंग में दे सकते हैं उसको, जब आप डिफाइन करते हैं ना, तो उसमें एक होता है सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट, उसमें उसका आप रोल भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, उसका स्कोप भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, उसकी काफी सारी चीजें आप वहां पे डिफाइन कर देंगे। अच्छा, उसको उसने रिस्पॉन्स किस फॉर्मेट में देना है वो भी आपने बता देना है। भाई आपने बुलेट पॉइंट्स में उस रिस्पॉन्स देना है, वो आपको बुलेट पॉइंट्स में देगा। ठीक हो गए। तो ये तो आप प्रॉम्प्टिंग से ही मसला हल कर सकते हैं अपना। आप लास्ट वीडियो का जरूर देखिएगा, वो ऊपर आप थोड़े से चैट में जाएंगे ना तो लिंक होगा। अच्छा, देयर इज अनदर थिंग, आई एम एन ओरेकल एपेक्स डेवलपर फ्रॉम द DRC, आई एम grateful to set it for learn this with all of you, so nice of you, Gustava Mufunga. Ha. DRC, what is DRC? Which place is this? Hello, Gus
जी
Gustav.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum Assalam.
सर अवैस फ्रॉम फैसलाबाद अगेन।
Yes,
अच्छा,
yes.
मैंने सबसे मेन चीज आपसे अभी मेरे माइंड में आई है कि
Uh-huh.
एक टॉपिक आप इस ये जरूर रखें कि
Uh-huh.
हमारे जो ओल्ड फैशन डेवलपर्स हैं ना, वो करंटली भी सेम फॉर्म्स की फंक्शनैलिटी ही लेना चाह रहे हैं अपेक्स से। सो
Uh-huh.
अपेक्स इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म, जबकि फॉर्म्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स जो है वो टोटली डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है। अभी ऑब्वियसली वो जोड़ तोड़ करके हम कर तो सकते हैं, फंक्शनैलिटी ले तो सकते हैं, लेकिन वो अगर हमने डेप्रिकेटेड ही टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करना है या उसी पैटर्न को यूज करना है, तो अपेक्स को लाने का कोई वो एक कह लें कि बेटर चीज नहीं है।
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
उससे
Hmm.
तो बेटर है कि आप फॉर्मूला रिपोर्ट्स ही यूज करते जाएं।
Hmm.
अब
Hmm.
हंड्रेड्स ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फील्ड्स आपने एक फॉर्म पे डेवलप की हुई हैं, आप उसको एक एपेक्स पे लेके आते हैं, तो एक छोटे फोन पे या एक छोटे टैबलेट पे वो डाटा एंट्री करना एंड ऑल दिस, वो
Hmm. Hmm.
टोटली
Hmm.
डिफरेंट साइड है।
Hmm. 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 Agreed.
उसको
Agreed.
भी मेरे ख्याल में रखें कि हम जो है वो डेवलपर्स को
Sure. Sure. Sure.
आपके
So let me revise or share this in English because there are few members over here who might only understand English. Uh, question is that next maybe some session we should be discussing about the the usage or GUI or the way Oracle not, which we shouldn't say Oracle Apex. I would say web-based application. So web-based application, let's say for example, it can be any Microsoft, Oracle, or whatever. Uh, Client application, the way it was Oracle Forms, and now the web-based, you can't say exactly it should work the same way. There is a concepts of web-based applications or pages or mobile apps or things like that. You cannot have a detailed page of Oracle Forms to be covered in Oracle, sorry, in a mobile app. You have to work now smartly. You have to change yourself. You have to educate your users as well. So it's not something that you will have because now this is in browser based. Oracle Forms later versions were also in Forms, but still companies are using Form 6i. So Form 6i to Oracle Apex, and you are still thinking this the way they were using in 6i, it will not, it is bit change. It is just like using a very old model car and now using a latest model computerized or things like that. Yes, there will be certain features the same way, but yes, you have to compromise certain things. I mean, let's move forward, and you have to educate because this change management itself is a project. Let me give you one example. If you are in a shop, you purchase shoes for yourself. it is as per number you checked, you verified, and it was, I mean, fitting. Now, when you are using the shoes, few days you will be maybe uncomfortable. Foot is yours, shoe is yours, size is same, maybe color is same, but few days it might say you think, no, 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 I think I purchased the wrong one. I think, but after 2 or 3 days, you will feel comfortable. You will say, no, no, this is what I need. I'm comfortable. So to adopt any technology, especially because technology is changing, I mean, very fast, you have to be patient. Okay, don't expect all the results from the first day. Even users, so they are thinking, oh no, we were doing on keyboard. Now things are changed. Make application more smart. So if take the advantage of AI. If you were using maybe data entry past in 6i, now it is web based. So you have to use the way it is. Web application should be used, not only Apex, any application, because it can be Oracle Fusion. Now, if you are working on Oracle EBS and now Oracle Fusion is totally web based. A hell of a change, I would say. And even Oracle is struggling to develop it, and all these things. But if you are Oracle EBS user and now you are going to Oracle Fusion, huge change. But end of the day, you will have to move today or tomorrow, because they are ending things, they are closing, they are reducing support. So where you will go? And these hardware requirements or hardware availability will also be a challenge soon. In couple of years, you might not get the hardware, so you will have to move to the cloud. So if you are not, or you can't move 100% on cloud today, at least start. Believe me, I provided consultancy to the few companies, even in Muscat, Oman. And, I said, just start with something. Don't go 100%, because users will also be comfortable. They will know the importance of something. Then, gradually you can. And Alhamdulillah, they are doing great now. They are doing great. And they are, but later they will have to move to Fusion. So then, I mean, it is better to train them now and make them comfortable with it. Right? Okay, any question next? Forms and replication. Yes, we can cover that one as well. हो गया था. Sir, internet is connected. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, Daniel Ali, anything else? No. So I think now I'm going to end this session here. And it was really nice interaction with all of you. Uh, it is not single country, it's global. So might be I will be soon sharing the such analysis as well of the participants and things like that. I will be generating the certificate soon. There were some technical issues, to be honest, on my local PC. So once that is done, it will be available, and soon we will be planning for the next session. Let's see, it will be Oracle or something else, but yes, it will be there, and keep in touch to explore new things, more things, and then we can. Okay. You are welcome. You are welcome. I am following you from DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, an African country. I am also an Oracle Apex developer. You are welcome, Kayo, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, Kayo Elunga, right? I think if you are not there in our WhatsApp community, people can join. But unfortunately, Oracle Apex community group is full. It is 1024 members already. So if someone is leaving, then I can add. And the problem is there is already a queue. So if someone is really, contacting me and then, reminding me, then I can, when there is a free space, I will add him here. Because sometimes people are just, requesting, and they are not interested. So if someone is interested, he can, or she can send me a private message that I want to join. So next available slot, I can add him, right? Okay, right. So nice of you, everyone from the countries they are working or they are based in. Love to all of you from myself, from Pakistan, and we will be having such more sessions as well. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.